Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will learn how we can cancel our Microsoft 365 business subscription. That is the trial. So with the Microsoft 365, you also get Microsoft Teams. So go to Start, directly type Teams, click Open. Okay, now go to Admin on the left. Here it is under Dashboard. Go to Subscriptions on the left. Now all your subscriptions would be visible. Here it is, business standard trial. It will expire on 13th July, but after that we need to pay it. I'll click here. Okay, you can buy the paid subscription from here or you can cancel the subscription. I'll click cancel. Choose a reason. Let's say I'll add the following and click cancel subscription. This should cancel it. Okay, the trial is cancelled. Now you can check. Recurring bill is off. Okay, you can reactivate from here. And that's it. It will work till 13 July. After that it will expire. So guys, in this way we can easily cancel our Microsoft 365 business standard trial. This works for other versions of Microsoft 365 as well. Thank you for watching the video.